Hey everyone, it's Amelia from Taipec. Today we are going to be making some flavoured milk tea. The first step is going to be to fill up your cup with tapioca pearls. The flavour we'll be using is the taro flavour. First of all, you're going to get 200 millilitres of hot water. Then you're going to pour it into your cocktail shaker. Then you're going to add 1 scoop of fructose, 3 scoops of taro powder, and then 1 scoop of creamer. Now it's time to mix. Mix until there are no chunks left. Now it's time to add the ice. Fill the ice up to this line. Then you're going to pop on the lid and the smaller lid. Then you're going to hold the top lid, the middle bit, and the bottom all together, then holding the bottom to make it all secure. You're going to give it a shake for about 3 to 5 seconds. Now it's time to pour the drink into the cup. Add some ice if you'd like to. Now it's time to seal. That's all done. Now onto the matcha. It's the same process, just a different mixture. For this mixture, we're going to use 2 spoons of fructose, 1 spoon of matcha, and 3 spoons of creamer. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out our other how-to bubble tea videos.